If you ever come across a spam account, abusive message, or harmful content on Telegram, knowing how to report it can help keep the platform safer for everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to report a Telegram account using Telegram Desktop, whether you want to report a single message or an entire channel or group. It's a simple process, but it's important to do it correctly so Telegram can review the issue properly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer and go to the conversation where you found the message or account you want to report. If you only want to report one specific message, move your mouse over the offending message, then right-click it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Report. Telegram will then ask you to choose a reason for the report. You'll usually see options like spam, violence, pornography, child abuse, illegal drugs, or other harmful content categories depending on the type of message. Select the reason that best matches what you're reporting. It's important to choose the most accurate option so the report goes to the right place. After selecting the reason, click Submit or confirm the report to send it to Telegram. That's all you need to do for a single message report. Now, if you want to report a whole channel or group instead of just one message, the process is slightly different. First, open the channel or group you want to report. At the top of the chat, click the name of the channel or group to open its profile or information page. Once that page opens, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From the options that appear, click Report. Telegram may again ask you to choose a reason for the report, such as spam or harmful content. Select the appropriate option and submit it. This sends the report for the entire channel or group, which is useful if the content is repeatedly violating Telegram's rules. If you're reporting because of harassment, fake information, scams, or repeated abuse, it's a good idea to report the account as soon as possible and avoid engaging with it further. You can also block the account if you don't want to see any more messages from them. Reporting and blocking together can help protect your privacy and reduce unwanted contact. Keep in mind that reporting does not notify the other person that you specifically reported them, so you can do it safely and privately. Telegram uses these reports to review content and take action when needed. If the issue is serious or urgent, you may also want to save screenshots or evidence before reporting, just in case you need it later. And that's how to report a Telegram account, whether it's a single message, a channel, or a group, using Telegram Desktop. If this walkthrough helped, please give the video a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.